Banana bread. 4 bananas. Mash bananas with a fork. Add 1 and 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 1/3 cup granulated brown sugar, 3 eggs, 1/3 cup vegetable oil. Mix well. 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence. Add a teaspoon of all-purpose flour and mix in 1 cup chopped walnuts. Add to the mixture. Fold it. Pour the batter into a loaf pan with parchment paper. Preheat oven at 200 Celsius and bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until toothpick inserted into center comes out clean. Take out of oven and let the banana bread cool down in the bread pan. Enjoy.